In this video, we're going to show you how to install the driver's side front airbag sensor on your Cadillac Escalade. The process for the driver's side is the same as the passenger side. Using a 10mm socket and extension, we're going to loosen the nut on our negative terminal on the battery. I'm going to disconnect this terminal from the battery. Now once this is disconnected, we're going to let this sit for about 20 minutes. That's going to slowly discharge our system, seeing how we're going to be working on the ABS impact sensor. We don't want to have any issues with that. On the top here, to remove this shield, we're going to use our 15mm socket and remove these two large bolts. On the back side, we have two 10mm back here. I'll hold that up with one hand. On the back side, we have two more 10mm. Drop that down and set it aside. Now up underneath the front of the vehicle, there are going to be two sensors here. There's one here and one on the passenger side. There's a little red clip. We're going to slide that locking clip back and then press on this little tab behind that red clip and just connect that harness. Pop that off. Now in the very center right here, there's a bolt holding this. On the bottom side is an inverted Torx. We're going to use an E5 inverted Torx socket on our 1/4" ratchet. And we want to go ahead and loosen this. And you can see I just pull that back. There's a slot right here for that head of that bolt. You put that up and push that in. So once that's loose, pull that forward. You don't want to keep on turning it until that bolt comes out. Bring the sensor up with the bolt. And feed that up, push that back and in. Using your E5 inverted Torx socket with the ratchet, we're going to go ahead and snug that down. Once that bolt bottoms out, just give it a little bit more. You want to snug that into place. Give it a little wiggle, make sure it's nice and firm. You take your connector, we're going to line that up. Push that into place. Hear it and feel it lock in. Don't forget to engage the red lock tab by pushing that in. Install your splash shield. You just want to get these bolts all started by hand first. Install the ground terminal on the battery. I'm going to go ahead and snug that down. Once that's connected, you want to go ahead and hop into the vehicle. If you happen to have any airbag codes or lights on the dash, go ahead and hook up that scan tool, clear those codes, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.